I never thought I'll be able to say this, but we have another once in a lifetime opportunity happen. There's a stock split that's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I never thought that this day would come. I did not see it coming by a landslide. And the great thing about this is that this stock split is happening very soon, and I'm bringing it to you guys first. Now go on ahead and hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because that helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine. Now right here shows that 56% of you guys are not subscribed, so let's go ahead and flip that. Let's get this to more of you guys being subscribed to the channel. But the two stocks I'm bringing you in this video, the first one is going to be Coca-Cola, ticker symbol COKE. Now I know what you guys are saying, Coca-Cola, hold on, wait. And then if you do want to join the Patreon, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the Dream Team. I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday teaching the wheel strategy. That's learning how to sell cash secure puts, sell cover calls, sell put credit spreads, bull credit spreads, poor man cover calls. If you guys want to learn how to get on the winning side of trading options, join the Dream Team. And if you guys do want to have access to my now 7 pro day traders, you can join the Lucid Dreamer Roll. In the Lucid Dreamer Roll, I have 7 pro day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. Leap options, swing trades, penny options, leap options, and I post my technical analysis in there, and I post every single time I buy and sell a stock. So if you guys do want to join a community of investors, go ahead and join the Lucid Dreamer Roll. If you want to have access to my video courses, quizzes, and my Zoom calls, make sure that you join the Dream Team. The second one I'm going to be bringing you guys is ticker symbol SEZL. And let me explain to you guys the stock splits. Now, if you had $100 and you walk around with $100 and you try to buy something, everyone's going to be like, hey man, do you got change for 100? Do you got change for 100? Do you got change for 100? It's going to be hard for you to use that $100. But if you break it down to $20 bills or $10 bills, you can put here, here, here. It's easier to move. So nothing, you still have $100 at the end of the day, but it's a little easier to kind of configure your money around, right? So that's kind of the same thing with stock splits. If you have $1,000 stock, right, like Coca-Cola, it's hard for people to come in and buy a full share of Coca-Cola to get up to 100 shares of Coca-Cola. Now, if they cut that all the way down to make it affordable to everyone to where they could get up to 100 shares, once you get to 100 shares inside the stock market, it opens up the game completely, because now it is easily available to option traders. Then you can sell put options on highly priced stocks. You can sell cover calls on highly priced stocks. There's a lot of things that retail investors like me and you could do once the price of these stocks become more affordable. Now, you don't want to invest inside of every single stock split. And let me explain to you guys why I'm so excited about these stock splits, because usually when companies have successful stock splits, you want to look at stock splits that have a 2-to-1. 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 10-to-1, right? Not the other way around. That means for every, let's say a company has a 4-to-1 stock splits and the stock was worth $100 and they have a 4-to-1 stock split. Now you're going to have, after the stock split, you're going to have 4 shares, each worth $25. So at the end of the day, your value in the company is still going to be $100, but now you have 4 shares for $25 versus 1 share for $100. And so nothing fundamentally really changed, except for it becomes more accessible to option traders. But also, if we're looking at the analytics, when stocks usually have successful stock splits like a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a 10-to-1 stock split. When they have successful stock splits, they usually outperform the S&P 500 by around 6 to 8%. So if the S&P 500 goes up 10%, the company that usually had a stock split goes up 16%. If the S&P 500 stays flat and go sideways, 0% gain, then that stock split company usually goes up 6 or 8%. If the S&P 500 fall 8%, then the company that had a stock split will probably break even at the end of the year. So if we're taking a look, let me show you guys the two. Now, SEZL, they're having a stock split on 3/31 at the end of the month, and they're having a 6-to-1 stock split. For every 1 share that you have of SEZL, you're gonna have 6 shares. So if you own 1 share, now you're gonna have 6 after the stock split. Now here's the big one, COKE, which is Coke, but kind of not Coke. I know you guys are confused. I'm explaining in this video, but they're having a 10-to-1 stock split. So we got a 6-to-1 stock split and a 10-to-1 stock split in this video, and theirs is going to come up on 5/27. They just announced it on 3/04, but they're having a 10-to-1 stock split. So we're going to break down exactly what Coke price is going to be after that 10-to-1 stock split. But a lot of people are asking, what is the difference between KO, the actual Coca-Cola company, COKE, which is kind of a different, it's Coca-Cola, but it's not Coca-Cola. So we went in and asked ChatGPT to make it very simple. But at the end of the day, if we're looking at the core operations, Coca-Cola, they serve the global market worldwide, throughout the entire globe, right? And they pretty much generate all of their sales by selling the concentrated, the syrups of Coca-Cola, the syrups of Sprite, the syrups of Gatorade or Powerade or whatever, Fanta. They are serving those syrups to other companies that bottled it throughout the world, but they don't typically distribute it at all. So when we come to Coca-Cola right here at the bottom, they're the ones that pretty much serves the southeastern of the United States, the mid-Atlantic of the United States region, pretty much all the United States. And they're the ones that actually make the Coca-Cola bottles. They purchase the concentrated syrups from Kate, and they manufacture and finish the beverage process and packaging, and they deliver it. And it's a complete game changer. So we want to look at the differences. I'm gonna leave the differences right here. The core businesses: KO does the concentrated syrup, KO does the bottling and distribution throughout the United States. So if we come here and type in KO, let's look at KO first, right? So we're looking at Coca-Cola over the last year. They're up 16%, which is amazing. Ticker symbol KO. And then over the last 5 years, they're up 83%. So KO has been killing it. But let's go back to COKE, baby. They're having a stock split of a 10-to-1. So after that stock split, that 10-to-1 stock split, is going to be around $131.50 per share after their stock split, their 10-to-1 stock split. But over the last year, they're up 55% in just 1 year. Usually, guys, listen, you're going to notice a pattern. Usually when a company is having a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 5-to-1, 10-to-1 stock split, they've been having amazing years back to back. So over the last year, COKE is up 50%. And if we take a look right here over the last oh my God, the last 5 years, they're up 583%. The last 5 years, they're up 583%. That means they've been going up around 120%, a little under that every single year for the last 5 years. They've been, oh my goodness. How did we miss out on this one? Coca-Cola, baby, up 583% over the last 5 years alone. So if you divide that, I don't have to explain what Coca-Cola is to you guys or the company, but I explain what Sezzle is, right? Even if I'm saying it right. So let's take a quick look at Sezzle. But guys, Coca-Cola after the stock split, it might be a game changer. Now let me show you guys what I mean. It might be a game changer. Now let's pull up Sezzle, SEZL. Now Sezzle offer people payment plans to buy things online that let you do a upfront payment, and then that break down your next payments over the next couple of months. And from that strategy, and people love buying things online, Sezzle is up over the last year 150% over the last year alone. Now it's still a new company, retail investing is still coming out, but the way the economy is going, right? The way the economy is going, people are not paying full price for anything anymore. They have to do payment plans because the economy is pulling back. People are getting fired from their jobs. People are making less. The cost of living is going up. That's why this company is being so successful, is because the economy is doing bad. People still shopping online, and they have to break down their payments for what they're buying down in payment plans over the next couple of months just to survive. And it's crazy out there, guys. So at 225, they're having a 6-to-1 stock split. So you do 225 divided by 6. After the stock split, they'll be at $37.50 per share, which is amazing. And guys, if you do want to learn more about the economy, I'm going to leave a link down in the pinned comment sections to the Dream Green Conversations. Over there, you guys can go join that channel. I'm up to 1,180 subscribers, which is insane. Over here, I talk about the economy, making money, the housing market, everything. So if you guys want to learn more about the economy and some entertainment, go ahead, head over to Dream Green Conversations. Enjoy the shows over there, where it's a little bit more relaxed, more fun, and informational. So that's my second channel. Can't wait to see you guys over there. But yeah, dreamers, those two stocks, a 6-to-1 stock split on a stock that has payment plans in a economy where people are getting fired left and right. 10,000 workers have been let off from the government. 10,000 workers have been let off from the Board of Education or the education, anything like that. DEI. People just been getting laid off left and right. So a company like Sezzle is going to do good until the economy recovers and people could buy things full out. Now, Coca-Cola, people are addicted to Coke. I love investing inside of companies where the product is addictive. There's people that have to drink a Coke every single day, 2 cans every single day, 3 cans every single day. And CLKE is doing way better than the old parent company do worldwide. But CLKE distributing it down in the United States, and the actual bottle service of it has been going up 100% every single year. And they having a 10-to-1 stock split. Guys, let me know down in the comment section. They're both attractive. But one's been around a lot longer, and I'm gonna let you guys know which one I like. Coca-Cola. That is the one I like. That's the one I'm going to be paying attention to. But you guys, let me know down in the comment section which one of those 2 stocks are you probably gonna pay a little bit closer attention to, keep your eye on, do some technical analysis, and know when you're gonna go in and buy these stocks. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This could change your life forever by getting in on amazing stocks at good prices. Now, just because the stock split happened don't mean go in and buy. You still want to buy it at a pretty decent price and do your own market analysis on it. Look at the PE ratio, do your technical analysis on it. If you guys want to learn more about that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button so you don't miss out on any future videos where I'll go over all of this. And once again, if you do want to join the Patreon, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the Dream Team. I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday teaching the wheel strategy. That's learning how to sell cash secure puts, sell cover calls, sell put credit spreads, bull credit spreads, poor man cover calls. If you guys want to learn how to get on the winning side of trading options, join the Dream Team. And if you guys do want to have access to my now 7 pro day traders, you can join the Lucid Dreamer Roll. In the Lucid Dreamer Roll, I have 7 pro day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. Leap options, swing trades, penny options, leap options. And I post my technical analysis in there, and I post every single time I buy and sell a stock. So if you want to be a part of a community of investors that want to be financially free just like you, and I know you want to be financially free because you're watching videos like this. So if you guys do want to join a community of investors, go ahead and join the Lucid Dreamer Road. If you want to have access to my video courses, quizzes, and my Zoom calls, make sure that you join the Dream Team. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm letting you know Coke is my favorite down in the bottom. Let me know, have you already been investing inside either one of these companies? Obviously, people are investing inside of these companies because they're going up so high, so fast, and it's insane at the rate that they're growing, that they literally have to have a 6-to-1 stock split and a 10-to-1 stock split. It's crazy, guys. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.